Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video you are going to learn about some of the useful synonyms for important words for IELTS writing task 2 for IELTS essay writing. Many a times it is observed that students do struggle with the problem of repetition of words in IELTS writing task 2. They say that the words do not occur instantly in their mind, quickly in their mind while writing answer for essay, so they keep on repeating the same words, and sometimes they are not familiar with the synonyms for different words, so that they cannot write an effective answer and they are not able to show their range of vocabulary to the examiner. So to help you for that thing, I have made a list of some of the common words which do appear in IELTS writing task 2 statements, and there are some synonyms for those words. So I will start with the very first one. You should practice this. You should learn at least 3 synonyms for a single word, so that you do not repeat the same vocabulary words in your IELTS essay writing. So let's start with the very first word, that is protect. Protect. Many topics about environmental protection, or to protect laws, protect rights, protect children, protect animals. So these words can appear in your question statement. When you start attempting answer for that question, again and again you're saying protect. To protect this should be done. To protect that, this approach should be there. So that word is being repeated. To avoid that, you can learn the synonym preserve, maintain, and safeguard for this word protect. I repeat, preserve, maintain, and safeguard. Next one is culture. This is also the common topic for IELTS essay writing topics. For culture, you can say customs, traditions, or lifestyle. As we have to make 2 to 3 or you can say 5 paragraphs for essay writing. So when we are writing paragraphs, we need to discuss with context to the same word. So to avoid the repetition, you should learn 2 or 3 same words for that word. Then next one is local. The topic could be related to local culture, local communities, local traditions, local lifestyles. For that, you can use this word native, community related, or domestic. Then this is also the common topic for IELTS essays. This is also the common theme that could be about tourism. For tourism, you can say touring, sightseeing, excursion. Most of the times a student do say this, that they do not have any word in their mind for tourism to replace this word tourism. So these are the word touring, sightseeing, or excursion. Then a lot of. When we are writing about advantages, disadvantages, students make use of this word a lot of. There are a lot of advantages, there are a lot of benefits. To replace this word, to make it more impressive, you can say a good deal of or a great number of. This you can also make use in IELTS speaking. Then when we are writing introduction, in that we mentioned that there are various solutions for this problem, or there are various advantages of these things. So to replace various, you can say numerous, several, innumerable. Then amazing. For amazing, you can say fabulous, wonderful, or marvelous. Next word is growth. When we are writing about a country's progress, or a social growth, or you can say economical growth. To replace this word growth, you can say development, expansion, or widening. When you are talking in context with buildings, you can also make use of this word expansion or widening. Next word is important, which we often need in our IELTS essay writing. So to replace important, you can say indispensable, or significant, For example, education plays an important to replace important. You can say education plays an indispensable or education plays a significant role in our lives. It will make the difference because important can be written by anybody. Important is a common word, so you can make use of this word indispensable or significant. These are uncommon vocabulary words. Then certainly, to replace certainly, you can say definitely or you can say assuredly. Next word is evaluate. When the IELTS topics are based on evaluation of the performance of the students, these are related to education, these are related to the skills, the talents or students. At that time, you will see this word in the question statement, evaluate, or you have to make use of this word in your answers. To replace word evaluate, you can say judge, assess, or appraise. Next word is habitual. Some of the essay answers would need this word. So to replace this word, you can say accustomed, accustomed to, habitual to, accustomed to, regular, or something you usually do, usual. Next one is essential. Essential means basic, or you can write necessary, or you can write primary. Then differences. For differences, these are the uncommon words. Disparities, variations, or dissimilarities. For similarities, opposite is dissimilarities. You should take care of the spellings here. Dissimilarities. And for similarities, you can use a likeness, comparability, or resemblance. Then intelligent. For intelligent, you can say sharp-minded, brilliant, or genius. Sometimes we need to make use of this word little. There is little hope, there is little change. For that, you can say slight, limited, or minor. Next word is very important for IELTS essay writing, that is reliable. You will also see this word in IELTS reading and you can make use of it in your IELTS speaking answers, reliable. And to replace this word reliable, you have alternates. You can make use of this word trustworthy, authentic, or dependable. Then most of the topics are using this word tendency. There is the tendency among the people to eat fast food, or the tendency among the youngsters to copy the celebrities' lifestyle. In this way, tendency word could be there in many of the IELTS question statements for IELTS essay writing. So when you are writing the answer, you can make use of these words for the word tendency. These are trend, inclination, or likelihood. Inclination is very impressive word to be used in IELTS essay writing for the word tendency. Then juvenile. Many of the topics are based on adolescents or the juveniles. For that, you may use these words: juvenile, adolescents, immature, or minor. Right? So my dear friends, to deal with the problem of repetition of words in IELTS essay writing, you can learn and make use of all these words in your IELTS essay writing to get good band scores. So keep on practicing. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.